Hey guys, 5J62 trying to eat a tablespoon of cinnamon. Proof that it is cinnamon, same color. God, this is gonna be so retarded.
It's physically impossible for a human being to eat a full tablespoon of cinnamon. So he's going to attempt it.
This for $20 too.
Yeah, it's for $20. Yo, and he failed. Oh god, all the cinnamon dust is everywhere.
Don't cut my tongue. No, what other third thing do I have to do? Brush my teeth with soap?
Maybe.
That one's $40.
No, it was only $20 if you ate it. Completely. Alright guys. Subscribe, comment, rate, whatever, like it, give us a thumbs up. Yeah. Hey, this is Bobby Jenks 222. I don't know.
That was retarded.
It was. Yeah guys, don't do this at home. It was actually pretty bad. He pretty much just spat out that whole thing and it's everywhere in the sink right now. Alright guys. Subscribe.